Let's talk about portfolio tracking, an important part of every investor's life. Our portfolio tracking makes it easy for you to stay on top of each individual holding, as well as how those holdings roll up into book positions for each stock. You'll also get indications about upcoming dividends and earnings announcements so that you can plan appropriately. The easiest way to update your portfolio is to import a file exported from your brokerage account. We support a variety of formats, but let us know if you come across something that doesn't import as expected. In this example, we're logged into an Options Express test account with a portfolio we've set up for this demo. Your brokerage account may vary, so just look for the Export or Download button and select the text option when available. Once you've downloaded that file locally, you can then import it into Quantcha. Note that this is a one-time import, so if you change your portfolio at your brokerage, you'll need to update it here as well. If you're using a different method for tracking your portfolio, you can still format it for import into Quantcha. Our import process supports a comma-separated value file, known as CSV, that uses 3 column names. For example, if you use Excel, you can set up a file like this one. Symbol is the name of the first column, and it's the security symbol, so you'll need to use the full format for options. Quantity is the second column, and is the total number that you hold, which is either in shares for stock or contracts for options. If you're net short, this number should be negative. Finally, the price column is the average cost basis per share in the holding. We use the absolute value of the price field, so its sign doesn't really matter. When saving a disk, be sure to select the CSV option and to accept the dire formatting consequences. Also note that you'll probably need to close Excel before your browser can get access to the file for import. Once you save the file to disk, you can import it into Quantcha just like you would for any other brokerage export file. If you have any issues, double-check the spelling and spacing. Besides importing positions, you can also manage the portfolio by manually adding stock or option holdings using the tabs at the bottom of the screen. To add a stock position, simply enter the symbol, quantity, and average price per share you paid or received in the transaction. Note that we don't track individual transactions for a given security, so you can just use your latest totals if you had multiple transactions to get to your current state. If you enter a transaction for security that you already hold, we'll merge the transaction in and appropriately adjust the cost basis. You can also directly adjust the quantities and average price per share in line. And you can also add option positions using the same process. In addition, each stock provides a convenient link to launch the book management tools to optimize your holdings, which we cover in great depth in another video. Don't forget to keep tabs on your holdings, as earnings and dividend dates can have significant impacts on your options. As always, good luck and good hunting.